Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of Calm app, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.